Unlock the secret to consistently faster, more potent Midjourney creations, transforming your creative process from a crawl to a sprint. First, let's talk prompts. Think precision, not poetry. Instead of lengthy, abstract descriptions, focus on clear, keyword-driven prompts. For example, instead of a dreamy, ethereal landscape with swirling pastel clouds and a lone ancient tree overlooking a mystical valley, try pastoral fantasy landscape, soft pastel clouds, ancient oak tree, mystical valley, golden are lighting. The more specific and directive your keywords, the less work Midjourney has to do to interpret your vision, leading to quicker results. Next, master your aspect ratios. While default square images are great, experimenting with different aspect ratios, like 169 for cinematic shots or 23 for portraiture, can sometimes influence generation speed and composition. If you're aiming for a specific feel or layout, try a relevant aspect ratio from the start. It can streamline the process by guiding Midjourney's composition more effectively. Now, let's dive into the power of modifiers. Parameters are your secret weapon for efficiency. Early versions of Midjourney or certain style modifiers, like Style Raw, can sometimes produce results faster. Consider experimenting with the latest model versions first. Additionally, modifiers like Stylize can heavily influence the artistic interpretation. A lower stylized value might lead to quicker, more literal results, while a higher value can take longer but produce more creative interpretations. Understanding how these affect generation time relative to your desired output is key. Finally, iteration is your friend. Don't be afraid to generate variations once you have a promising image. Midjourney's variation tools are incredibly efficient at refining an existing concept. Use them to explore different angles or moods of a successful generation, rather than starting entirely anew. By combining concise prompting, strategic aspect ratio choices, and a smart understanding of modifiers, you'll find yourself generating stunning Midjourney visuals with unprecedented speed and creative control.